Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to find essential assets for your video editing. Suppose I need this type of cartoon image for my video editing. So how to find this type of cartoon image? Go to the Google Chrome, open a tab, simply drag and drop this image to here. Okay. Now go to the top bar, three dots. Here you can see search with Google Lens. This is the new feature for Google Chrome. So click and drag to search. Here you can see there are lots of this type of cartoon image. I just click open link in new tab. Another one is this one. Okay. Now just simply download this image and this image, also this image. Now go to the canva.com. I just want to remove the background of that image. Now create a design and select the custom size. Before select the custom size, I want to show you the image size. Just hover the image, you can see the size dimension 707,080. 80. Create new design. Now upload the image. Now select the image and remove the background, BG remover. After that, from the share, definitely you have to select this transparent background. So I click the transparent background and download. If I open this image, you can see, very simple. So another one, image and upload. Select the image and click the BG remover. Go to the share and download. Definitely you have to select the transparent background, then download. So I hope you understand the tricks. Thank you for watching. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe.